There are two ways to build an agency. There's the version where you create something new for every client, new proposal, new services, new price, and do that every single time. And then there's the version where you build one thing, one time, and then every client after that gets the exact same install. Today, we're building that second version. And if you've been sitting on this for a while, watching the videos and comparing the services, but never actually pulling the trigger, here's what's really going on. Every video hands you a different piece. One gives you the service, another gives you the pricing. Nobody gives you the delivery, but now you're holding this pile of puzzle pieces, and the reason they never come together is that they're not even from the same puzzle. The service from this guy was never designed to fit the pricing from that guy, or the delivery from that guy, who, if we're being honest, doesn't even actually do this and is just making videos for the views. So today, I'm gonna give you the whole picture. One simple AI-powered system that answers a local business's phone, answers their website chat, and texts their leads back in seconds. You build it once, sell it for $397 a month, and run the same 6-step install for every client who says yes, just with their business details swapped in. So by the end of this video, you'll have all of it. The service, who to offer it to, the exact message that sells it, the build on screen click by click, and the honest math on what it costs you to actually run. So let's start with the problem that the system gets paid to fix, because you can go verify this one yourself tonight. Let's say it's 7 o'clock in the evening in Nashville, and somebody's garage door just stopped halfway up, so their car's trapped inside. Well, what happens? A guy grabs his phone, he searches garage door repair, and he calls the first business on the list. What usually happens is ring, ring, voicemail. So when that happens, he does what pretty much all of us do. He hangs up and calls the next one down. And whoever picks up first is the one that gets the job. A job that first business he calls never even knew existed. And that's the part that should bother you, because there's no report showing up the next morning to that first business saying that you missed a customer at 7 p.m. last night. There's no notification, there's nothing. The phone just rang to an empty office. The customer therefore moved on, and the business owner has no idea that even happened. And this is not a rare event. Research from Lead Connect found that 78% of buyers go with the first business that responds to them, even when a better business is sitting right below them on the list. And here's an even crazier number. Even for leads that come in through a website where there's no phone ringing at all, a study by Drift found that the average business takes 42 hours to respond. That's like 2 days. For a guy who's standing in front of a broken garage door trying to get his car out, he's making that decision tonight. He's not waiting 2 days to get his car out. But don't just take my word for any of this. Tonight, call 5 garage door companies in your city, or appliance repair companies, and then count how many answer. Then, while you're at it, go to their websites and try the chat box as well, because every business that doesn't pick up is a business that's losing jobs that it's never even going to know about. And here's what matters for you. You just found the businesses that are worth contacting in like 10 minutes. You didn't even have to talk to anybody. Basically, the whole goal here is to find businesses that don't answer the phone. Now look, maybe you're not running an agency, and maybe you don't even plan on starting one. Maybe you're just looking for a real way to build income online, and you've watched 100 videos that never actually panned out. If that's you, you're in the right place, because this isn't about being technical, and it's not about having a following. You just need to identify one problem to solve and then come up with one simple system that actually solves it. And seeing as you basically just handled step 1 by finding the problem yourself tonight with nothing but your phone, now let me show you the exact system that solves it. And look, I know this playbook works because I've built 3 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. So let me show you exactly what you're going to sell them. I call the service AI Conversations, and the plain English version is this. Nothing about this business owner's business changes. His phone stays the same, his website stays the same, his people answer like they always have. The AI just steps in whenever nobody else does. So when a call comes in and nobody picks up the phone, the AI answers. It greets them, it asks what they need, it answers their questions, and it can even book them an appointment right there on the calendar. When somebody types into the website chat at 11 p.m., same thing. It does the conversation, it books the job, and the moment that the lead comes in, it fires a text back within seconds. So that little decision window, that couple of minutes where the person is deciding who gets the job, that window never closes on that business. So that's calls and messages, both covered. And you can leave his website exactly as it is. The AI is just a layer that you add on top of it. So now, next question. Who do you offer this to? Well, here's the only rule. You want to pick businesses where the phone is the business. Garage doors and plumbers are the obvious examples here, but anywhere where a ringing phone means money and a missed call means the competitor gets paid instead of them. But today, I'm going to make the choice for you. We're going to go with garage door repair. because that's the example that I'm sticking with the whole way through here. So here's the play, and it's about as simple as this stuff gets. Those 5 companies that you called last night that didn't pick up the phone, well, this isn't just a test anymore. This is now your client list. And tomorrow morning, each one of them is going to get an email from you. And you're not hunting anybody down here. Their email address is sitting right there on that same website that you were just on. Oh, and if one of them didn't have a chat box at all, no problem. You can just cut that line from the message and send everything else as is. Speaking of the message, here it is, word for word. So go ahead and write this down or screenshot this one. Hey, name, I called, business name, around 7 last night and it went to voicemail. Tried the chat on your website too. No answer there either. When that happens, that job usually goes to whoever picks up next. I recorded a quick 2-minute video showing a simple way to catch those calls without hiring anyone. Okay if I send it over? Now, notice what that message is built on. First of all, it's true. You actually called last night and you're telling him exactly what happened. It's also specific to his business, not some random templated email blast. And there's no cold call in any of this. No sales pitch either. It's just one honest email about something that actually happened. The only thing that you're asking for is permission to send a 2-minute video, and that's about the easiest yes that a busy business owner can give. And the video itself is simple because you already did the work. You record it with Loom, this is just free screen recording software, and it allows you to just talk while it records your screen. There's no editing, there's no fancy camera, and the video itself has 3 parts. Part 1, you show them the problem. This is the, I called your line at 7 last night, here's what happened. Part 2, you show them the fix actually working. And here's where that build that I'm about to walk you through comes in. You build this system once in your own test account before you ever email anybody. So the demo in your video is your own AI answering a call, your own chat responding, your own text going out. He's not watching a slideshow about a product, he's watching the thing actually work right there in front of him. And then there's part 3, which is where you make the offer. And you keep it as simple as everything else. So here it is on screen. And again, you might want to write this one down or screenshot it as well. If you want this catching your calls, it's $3.97 a month, and one saved job can cover it. There's a link right below this video to get started, and I'll handle the rest. And when he clicks that link, here's what happens. He lands on a checkout page, pays the $397, and then fills out a short form with his business details. These are his hours, his service area, that kind of thing. And that's it. He pays, he fills it in, your install starts. There's no proposal, there's no meeting, there's no contract to review, there's nothing for him to try to figure out. Okay, now this is usually where the delivery fear kicks in. He says yes, and now you have to configure some AI phone system you've never touched before, and you're worried that the first time it answers a real customer's call, it's gonna say something crazy and cost him a job, just while you sit there and watch. So let me walk you through the actual build on screen now, so you can judge for yourself just how scary this is. There's 6 steps, and before the panic sets in here, later in this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy my entire pre-built version of this directly into your account, so you're never starting from a blank screen. But I want you to watch the 6 steps anyway, because this is the install that you're gonna run for every client who says yes. So this is you just knowing what you're selling. Step 1, you create the agent. And don't overthink this part. Let's call her Jessica, that's the name I usually use. Grab the first warm, natural sounding voice on the list, and you can move on. You can always change this later. Step 2, and this is the part that makes it smart. You're gonna point this at his website. The system then reads the website and learns his business from all of that. His services, his hours, his service area. From there, you just review what it found, keep the useful pages, and if the website's missing something important, like pricing or emergency policies, that kind of thing, you just type that in yourself. Which means the AI is going to answer the questions that it gets from actual information instead of just guessing or making things up. So when a caller asks something like, do you guys do spring replacements? He knows the answer. Step 3, you connect his calendar. This way, booked calls show up as real appointments that show up right on his phone. Now, some of these guys don't run on a calendar at all. They've got a dispatch or CRM software they're using instead. And that's fine, because in that case, the AI just collects the caller's name, what's going on, and when they'd like someone out there and to reach out to them. And then it sends all of that straight to him or to his office. A lot of the time, you can even connect this directly into the dispatch software. So either way, no matter how he runs things, the lead gets caught. Step 4, the phone. And here's the part that surprises most people. His phone number doesn't need to change. He doesn't need to switch phone systems, doesn't change anything on his business cards. In most cases, you just set up call forwarding with a code that his carrier supports. Usually takes a few minutes, and you turn on backup mode. That's right, backup mode. You see, backup mode is the setting that I want you to remember, because it's what makes this an easy yes for your potential clients. See, the way it works is that the AI only answers when his people don't. Somebody's at the desk at 2 p.m., they pick up the phone like always. But at 7 p.m. and everybody's gone home, now the AI answers. This way, nothing changes about how he runs his business. The AI just stands behind it and catches what falls. Step 5, the website chat. Same brain here, just working on his website instead of his phone. Here, you add the chat widget to his site, and if you don't control his website, it's no problem either. You just send the widget code to whoever does. It's one small copy and paste thing for them. And step 6, you test it. Before this ever touches a real customer, you test it yourself. You call the number or you type into the chat like a customer would. You ask it awkward questions, ask it something crazy or off the wall. Try to break it. I think you're going to find that you can't, but it's a fun exercise anyway. And the first time that you watch it handle a real question, answered correctly, offering a booking from a system that you built, well, something changes about how sellable this feels. It finally feels like an employee that you can actually go out there and install for a business. Okay, third piece of the system is the texting, speed to lead. When somebody fills out his quote form and checks the box to get texts, the system texts them back within seconds. And that first message says who it's from and includes the opt-out, which keeps everything above board and compliant. Remember the 42 average time to respond from earlier? Well, his leads now hear back before they've even put their phone down. Now, one small timing note on this piece. Text messaging runs on something called a registration system, where every business number in the country has to go through it. It takes a little bit of digital paperwork, and approval usually lands within days. So the phone side of the install can be live right there from day one. But then the texting side, well, that switches on once the registration clears. The only thing to remember here is that when you're talking to your client, you could say the phone goes live immediately, but the texting goes live once your number's approved, instead of promising some specific date. That's it. Everything else can be running right there from day one. Now, if you want to run this as your own service, everything I just showed you is already built. There's a link in the description below this video where you can grab an extended 30-day free trial of High Level, which is the software I use to run my entire agency. And when you start through my link, you'll also unlock my complete agency OS with over $10,000 in pre-built funnels and follow-up automations and client outreach scripts and sales scripts and a 90-day launch roadmap, all installed into your account with just one click. The link's sitting in the descriptions below, plus you'll get access to our private members only community where I'm going to show you how to take this exact offer to your first businesses and grow it from there. Okay, let's do the money part, and let's do all of it, because this is the part that most videos usually skip, often right when it was getting interesting. First, let's make sure that $397 is a real price. So here's a company selling AI phone answering. Just the phone part at $449 a month on their starter plan and $789 on the next one up. It's a good company, and the pricing tells you just exactly what this problem is worth to a business owner. But you're not just delivering the phone. You're delivering the phone, the website chat, and the instant text back for $397, which is less than they charge for just the phone alone. So when a business owner hears your price, it's not some random number that you just made up out of thin air. It's actually under the going rate. Second, let's talk about what this costs you to actually run. The honest answer is not that much. Your first client costs you right around $200 a month, and that covers everything. The software platform, his unlimited AI plan, and a few dollars of phone and text usage. He's paying you $397, so you're profitable right there from client number one. And here's the good part. That platform fee only ever changes once, when you grow past 3 clients. Then it steps up to $297 a month, and that gets you unlimited clients forever. From there, every new client only adds his $97 AI plan, which means you keep roughly $300 of every $397. You build the system one time, and every client after that is the same install, adding another $300 a month right on top of that. As for the time and how long this takes, the first build usually takes an hour or two, and it gets faster every time because the steps never change. After that, you're in maybe 20, 30 minutes a month, and most of that is the best part of this entire service, which is sending your client the report. Here's what that looks like. Quick update. Here's what the system caught this month. Number, after hours calls answered. Number, chats handled. Number, appointments booked. So say it caught 19 calls and booked 7 jobs. Well, that message takes you 5 minutes to send, and it gives him a reason to keep paying because every month you're showing him money that used to just walk away, but thanks to your system, is now being captured. And those reports are also setting up what comes next, because after a few months of those updates, you're not some line item on his credit card anymore. You're now the guy who stopped his customers from slipping away. So when he's ready for more help, his reviews, his website, that kind of thing, well, you're the only person that he reaches out to. So now you've got the same client, but a much bigger monthly payout. But it's another video for another time, but I want you to see where this road goes. Now, I've got 3 warnings that I need to share with you before you go do this. Warning number 1, offer backup, not replacement. The fastest way to lose the deal is to make him think that you're putting some robot right between his customers and his people. You're not doing that. His people answer like they always have. The AI just catches what they miss. So you want to lead with that sentence. And the "my customers hate robots" objections just gets a whole lot smaller. Warning 2, never skip the test. The fear of the AI saying something wrong to a real customer, that is a genuine, reasonable fear. And it's got a 2-minute fix. All you gotta do is call it and chat with it yourself before it goes live. You can let your client do the same as well. And every time that you change something, well, test it again. This way you're gonna catch anything strange while the only customer on the line is you. Warning 3, report real numbers, never predict them. I mean, you just don't know how many jobs this thing is actually going to save them next, March. So don't just guess some random number just to close the deal. I mean, the honest pitch is stronger anyway. It's, I don't know how many calls you're missing, let's turn it on and count them. Then the monthly report does the promising for you with real numbers every month. Now, if you're ready to put this into action, the link below starts your free extended trial and copies my complete Agency OS setup into your account. So everything you watched me build and a whole lot more is sitting there ready to install. Your next job is finding the first business to install it for, and after tonight's 5 phone calls, you'll already have a list started. And this is where you get to make a real decision, because there are 2 versions of how this goes. Version 1, you get 1 client, and that's $397 covering a car payment every single month. Honestly, not bad, but there's a second version, version 2, where you keep installing this system for not just 1, but 2, 5, 10, and then more clients. The only catch is that getting from 1 to 10 is a different road than the one I showed you today. Fortunately, to help you do that, I've put the whole thing together in one place in a video that I've got linked up right here. It's gonna show you how to pick the type of business to focus on, what to charge as you grow, and how to go from your first yes to a full 1-person agency. It's a free masterclass, it's linked right here, so tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.